This kanji is used only for a friend. Friend. Only this sound, that means friend. This kanji is used. Friend in Japanese, here we know tomodachi. Tomodachi. Tomodachi, we know tomodachi. Tomodachi, we know tomodachi means a friend. So we can practice at first here from top to bottom, and some angle here is maintained, and this one, and that one. So again, in a small condition, we can also use the horizontal one at first, then vertical one, so here tomodachi or tomo, here is only this word tomo. This kanji is used, tomo. So first, second, third, fourth. 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 Only for purpose of tomo. And here is sound is tomo. So overall, tomodachi, tomodachi. So tomo, use the kanji tomo, and dachi we didn't still learn dachi. So tomodachi. Tomodachi means friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. So here, if we used one sentence, nichiyobi, nichi, nichiyobi, nichiyobi ni tomodachi, nichiyobi, tomodachi, nichiyobi ni tomodachi no uchi, tomodachi no uchi e ikimasu. Nichiyobi, yobi, nichiyobi ni tomodachi no uchi e ikimasu. Ikimasu. Nichiyobi ni tomodachi no uchi e ikimasu. That means I will go to my friend's room in Sunday. Nichiyobi ni tomodachi no uchi e ikimasu. So tomodachi. Here is again practice. Again practice. Again practice. So this is for only for practice.